Have you ever felt like your home feels dull and far from cozy? Don't worry, today, I'll show you how to transform an ordinary space into something extraordinary with stunning interior design. Without breaking the bank, let's get started. Welcome to today's video. I'm here to share budget-friendly interior design tips and tricks you can apply right away. With a little creativity, you can turn any room into a beautiful and cozy space without draining your wallet. Many people believe that beautiful interior design requires a hefty budget. As a result, they either delay decorating their homes or settle for dull spaces that don't reflect their personal style. But did you know, you can create a stunning room without overspending? The first solution: make the most of what you already have. With a little DIY effort, old furniture can come back to life. Don't forget to hunt for unique items at thrift stores or online marketplaces. From antique mirrors to minimalist wooden shelves, you can find beautiful decorations at affordable prices. Let's revive and transform your space. The secret to achieving a professional look is blending expensive and affordable items. Use a few luxurious elements as focal points, then complement them with budget-friendly pieces. The result? A room that looks elegant, feels cozy, and stays within budget. DIY projects are a budget-friendly way to beautify your space. From decorative pillows to minimalist wall shelves, you can create them easily and affordably. All you need is a bit of creativity and time. And here's the final result: a cozy, beautiful space that reflects your personal style, all achieved without spending a fortune. So, don't hesitate to try these ideas in your own home. If you enjoy these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe for more ideas, and share your favorite budget-friendly tips in the comments below. See you in the next video.